Hi, welcome back. Not to my shop, but to my garden. Recently I made a garden row marker and I just kind of wanted to show you how it's made and how it works. It's a very simple project, very easy beginner project or for anybody, but not every project in woodworking has to be complicated, and this is super simple. So I'm going to show it to you right back there. And I'll give you a little bit better explanation here right now. Okay, I turned my camera around to show you a little bit better. This is a garden row marker that we've used in our family for quite a while. The back part is some old wood, as you can tell, and the handle broke off, so I just fashioned a new handle on it. But we've used one of these for 30 or 40 years. It works great. It makes your garden fast and easy to make even rows in your garden, and it's just really cool. And so all you do is pick up on it, and as we move along, there's two points that go in the ground, and we just pull it along, and it makes these marks really nice and easy. It could be much simpler than that. Well, there you have it. That's a pretty fast, simple, effective way to lay out your garden. This device can be made out of scrap wood, or you can use some brand new wood. But if you like gardening, or if you know somebody that does like gardening, this is a real quick, simple, easy build. It takes a half hour, no more than an hour, I won't think, to make one up. And it's very fast and effective. You can lay out a garden really quick. And it's just kind of fun to make too. So, thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day, everybody. Bye. And then after we got the garden all marked out, then we get to plant our seeds. We get to plant a garden. Right now I'm going to plant some sweet corn. And the best thing about planting any type of thing in the garden is that you get to look forward to in a month or two to having something really nice to eat. In this case, nice sweet corn. Woodworking's fun, but so is gardening. Give it a try if you haven't tried it already.